Empiezan a tirar program time.
Michelada time. Salud. Whatever.
All right. Manny's Michis. Michelada. Here's sweetheart. Here you go, mama. For the good times. Carne asada and mermelada. Ah, chingao. Let's go. Barbecue time. Come on, guys. Woohoo! Nalga asada, carne asada. All right, how's it doing over here? Woo! Too blessed to be stressed. Tell me I burned all the charcoal. These are good times right here. Times that when you're in prison, you reminisce, wishing you were home, barbecuing, smelling freedom. Even at times you wish you were barefooted. Being the fact that you're in prison, sometimes you gotta be on your toes, wearing your shoes at all times, and you hardly get to stretch out them toes, you know? So you fantasize with stepping on concrete, barefooted, grass, carpet. So those are the luxuries that we have and we take for granted. The simple, small things, the free things in life. So people wake up and enjoy. Don't take your freedom for granted. Salud. Have a blessed day. Hey, Dodger. Hey, what are you doing sitting on a chair? Chairs are for humans, not for dogs. You agree with that, Layla? Huh? What's Dodger doing on a chair, huh? Brownie, stop trying to go inside, man. Kick it out here. Be a dog. Trying to go inside already? Dude, I know it's hot out here, Papa. barbecue. What's up, Papa? How you doing? Give me your paw. Good boy, good boy. Love you. Love you, Papa. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. What's up, Layla? You want to play with the ball? Where's the ball at? All right. You gonna go get it? Bring it? Go. All right. Good girl. Yeah, where's the ball at? You brought it back to me? I don't see it. There we go. Thank you, Mama. You're such a good girl. Ah, beautiful. Look at her. She loves playing with the ball. It's too hot, Mama. Let me focus on cooking. Can dodge.
Count time, when the is